हम हमेशा अपने सेलिब्रिटीज को लुकअप करते हैं, उनको फॉलो करने की कोशिश करते हैं फॉर द बेस्ट ऑफ स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट्स। जहाँ एक तरफ हमारे सेलिब्रिटीज कई बार उनके साथ हो जाते हैं हिट एंड मिस मोमेंट्स, वहीं दूसरी ओर कितनी बार हमारे सेलिब्रिटीज ने मेजर स्टाइलिंग गोल सेट करे हैं अपने स्टाइलिंग सेंस से, अपने स्टाइलिंग ट्रेंड से। और आज स्टाइलोमीटर के इस एपिसोड में हम आपके साथ शेयर करने वाले हैं उन खास सेक्सी अदाकाराओं के बारे में जिन्होंने बोल्ड एंड सेक्सी साइड दिखाई अपनी इन सी थ्रू आउटफिट्स में। Well, yes, see-through outfits are not very easy to be worn and actually flaunting them. But these beauties have not only worn these outfits, but have actually shown their styling sense and have flaunted these see-through outfits in the bestest way possible. While we are constantly following the social media handles of the topmost trending celebrities to know कि उनकी fashion game कितनी spot on है. However, there are some trends that we genuinely believe are for only Instagrammers' eyes. But then there are some that you really would want to try but in your own tadka. Lately, we found ourselves in a bit of fashion funk. We were eager to ditch our sweats and start dressing up all over again, but honestly, for what purpose? Because now the lockdown has gone out and now we are in the unlock stage 1. And if you're really wanting to go out once in a while, why not go out in a complete style fashioning goal? Sometimes making a statement and other than just on social media makes one look perfect in the real life also. Once the grams of celebrities looking to drop jaws on the red carpet now are seeing sheer mesh tops like of that crazy big fro Tulu dresses, fluttering into the high street stores and even in the peekaboo cinema have a moment in the spotlight. We are completely taking cues from celebrities in these likes of Erica Fernandez, Hina Khan, Moni Roy, Heli Shah, Nia Sharma, Surbhi Jyoti, Surbhi Chandana and many other gorgeous beauties out there. Beginning up, we have the gorgeous Telly Bahu that is Erica Fernandez जो कि pose करती है in the sexiest way possible, flaunting her toned legs. Erica Fernandez poses in a go-to color dress, flaunting her hot legs and actually raising the hotness meter a notch higher. The next one being the Telly Bahu जो एक ज़माने में अक्षरा के नाम से जानी जाती थी, जिन्होंने अपनी इमेज को completely break down करके, revamp करके वो लौट के आई अलग अंदाज में। हम बात कर रहे हैं हिना खान की, who shows off a jaw-dropping frill dress and actually flaunts her curves the bestest way possible in this attire. The next one being the gorgeous mythological heroine Moni Roy, who's actually raising the hotness meter a notch higher as she's netted in a sheer outfit and has been only flaunting that one. Well, how can we forget our very own gorgeous Ridhima from Ishq Mein Mar Jawa? जी हाँ दोस्तों, Heli Shah makes a beautiful and a gorgeous statement in this sheer sari और ये कहना सही होगा. Old is gold and short, traditional is what overrules the western attire, but that smile of hers is the perfect jewel that she's actually been adoring. The next one being Nia Sharma, as always bold and beautiful. Nia's style statement has always been out of the box, from trying all these weird and out of the box colored lipsticks to actually wearing these bold outfits. Nia has actually always stunned the audience and fans with her fashion style. Well, the next one being Surbhi Jyoti, जिनको वाकई में हम ताकने से हट नहीं पा रहे हैं। जी हाँ दोस्तों, we really can't stop oogling at Surbhi Jyoti in this picture. Talk about those toned legs, or better, the jawline that she's been flaunting in the basic natural makeup. Well, you can't miss the spunk and the aura that she's actually oozing in this picture. Last but not the least, Surbhi Chandana goes completely offbeat. Well, ये कहना सही होगा कि नागिन में अपने किरदार को एस करने के बाद सुरभि ने फैंस एंड ऑडियंस के दिलों में अपने लिए एक बहुत ही अलग मुकाम हासिल कर लिया है। और ये तस्वीर is taking us back down the memory lane when Surbhi had initially started her journey, but yet the fashion game was pretty much on point. Surbhi looks utterly gorgeous in this black niche outfit और ये कहना सही है, she looks really stunning in this one. Well, आप हमारे साथ नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर शेयर करिएगा कि कौन सी अदाकारा का स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट आप इस हफ्ते फॉलो करना चाहेंगे. Who would you rate the best on the Stylometer this week? Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates for the Telly world. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.